Can you still get Tesla premium connectivity on standard via Hotspot in 2025? The short answer is no, not reliably. From 2020 to 2023, it was a common workaround. Tesla owners would use their phone's hotspot to access premium connectivity features like live traffic, satellite maps, and video streaming without paying the monthly subscription. However, Tesla has implemented software updates that largely block this method. These updates detect tethered connections, preventing the car from recognizing the hotspot as a legitimate source for premium data. As shown in this graph, the effectiveness of the hotspot workaround has diminished significantly over time, especially after Tesla's 2023 updates. Tesla's software updates, particularly those rolled out in late 2023 and throughout 2024, included server-side checks designed to identify hotspot connections. Modern Tesla models, such as the Model 3, Model Y, and Model S from 2021 onward, use LTE 5G modules that communicate directly with Tesla servers. These updates prevent the vehicle from recognizing hotspot-provided data as legitimate premium connectivity, effectively blocking access to features like live traffic visualization, satellite maps, video streaming, and enhanced navigation. Key barriers include SIM card verification, where premium requires the vehicle's eSIM to be active. Data encryption checks ensure that Tesla encrypts premium data streams, making hotspot routing detectable. Geolocation mismatches occur when the car's reported location doesn't align with the hotspot's data path. This graph illustrates how the effectiveness of the hotspot workaround diminished over time due to Tesla's patching efforts. Tesla offers two connectivity plans to keep your vehicle connected. Standard connectivity is free and included with every Tesla purchase. It provides essential features like over-the-air software updates, navigation using offline maps, and basic voice commands for controlling your car. Premium connectivity is a subscription service costing about $10 per month or $100 per year. This unlocks advanced features including live traffic updates, integrated into navigation, high-resolution satellite imagery for maps, video streaming services, enhanced autopilot capabilities that rely on cloud data, and remote vehicle diagnostics. Over time, Tesla has patched workarounds like using phone hotspots to access premium features without paying. This graph shows how the effectiveness of such methods has diminished from 2020 to 2025, encouraging users to choose official plans for reliable service. The phone hotspot method exploited a loophole in Tesla's infotainment system, which runs on a modified Android OS. Users would connect their phone's hotspot to the car's Wi-Fi, then enter a fake APN like tesla.internet to mimic Tesla's network. This tricked the system into accepting the hotspot's internet connection as if it were a cellular data feed. Early versions of Tesla's software didn't thoroughly authenticate the data source, allowing this bypass. However, Tesla has now patched this system. While some users may find intermittent success with VPNs or specific hotspot configurations, these methods are inconsistent and often violate Tesla's terms of service. Attempting these workarounds can lead to account suspensions, warranty voiding, or even fines from your mobile carrier for excessive data usage. Tesla emphasizes that premium features require an active subscription and a direct cellular connection through the vehicle's built-in SIM card. Workarounds like using phone hotspots or VPNs are discouraged because they can compromise system integrity and violate service agreements. As shown in this graph, the effectiveness of hotspot workarounds has diminished significantly since Tesla's software updates in late 2023 and 2024. What once worked reliably now fails consistently due to server-side checks that detect unauthorized connections. Tesla pioneered the trend of paid connectivity services with their premium connectivity plan. This model charges users for advanced features like live traffic updates and streaming services. Following Tesla's lead, competitors like Ford with FordPass Connect and GM with OnStar have introduced their own tiered subscription services, offering similar premium features to EV owners. The EV market has seen a significant increase in subscription adoption. Automakers are shifting to this revenue model to help offset the high costs of producing electric vehicles. Features like real-time navigation have become standard expectations for EV owners. However, These advanced capabilities are often locked behind subscription paywalls, requiring ongoing payments. Meanwhile, the effectiveness of workarounds like the Hotspot method has been diminishing over time, as automakers patch these exploits through software updates. Tesla is expected to further integrate connectivity with its full self-driving software, making premium features essential for optimal performance. This deep integration ensures that advanced driving assistance relies on real-time data streams only available through paid subscriptions. Future developments include stricter hardware-level checks to completely eliminate any remaining workarounds. These checks will verify connectivity at the device level, preventing unauthorized access through software tricks or external connections. Tesla may introduce trial access periods or limited free tiers to encourage subscriptions while giving users a taste of premium features. This approach could include short-term trials of streaming services or enhanced navigation to demonstrate value. Broader industry shifts point toward seamless connectivity locked behind paywalls. Electric vehicle manufacturers are increasingly adopting subscription models to fund ongoing development and provide cutting-edge features that require constant data connectivity. By 2030, analysts predict that a significant portion of EV features will be subscription-based, with connectivity services becoming as essential as traditional vehicle maintenance. This trend reflects the growing importance of software and data in modern transportation. Using unauthorized methods to access Tesla's premium connectivity features raises important ethical concerns. This practice undermines Tesla's business model by avoiding legitimate subscription fees that fund ongoing development and improvements. Additionally, it often violates the company's terms of service, potentially leading to account restrictions or warranty issues. Such actions can be viewed as a form of software circumvention, similar to unauthorized copying of copyrighted programs. Instead of attempting workarounds, consider subscribing to Tesla's premium connectivity plan. This provides official, reliable access to all premium features while supporting the company's innovation and development efforts. Premium connectivity includes live traffic updates, satellite maps, video streaming services, and enhanced navigation capabilities. For specific needs, you can use your phone's cellular data directly through compatible apps or Bluetooth connectivity. This allows streaming music or using navigation apps on your phone without trying to bypass Tesla's systems entirely. Many users find this approach sufficient for basic connectivity needs while respecting the vehicle's design limitations. As shown in this graph, the effectiveness of hotspot workarounds has significantly declined over time due to Tesla's ongoing software updates and security improvements. What began as a high-success method in 2020 has become virtually ineffective by 2025, demonstrating why ethical alternatives are the better long-term choice.